The hidden benefit is a potent marketing tool. Let me tell you about it, where I found it and how you can use it too. Many years ago, I became friends with Ted Nicholas, a genius of a marketer. In fact, for me, probably the best marketer that's ever lived. And in his work, and particularly in the Golden Mailbox, which I have a copy of, he talked about the hidden benefit. And the way it came about was that Ted had created a book which was a load of corporate forms. But he knew that entrepreneurs who were his marketplace were not interested in corporate forms as such. He was interested in forms. So he thought about it and he created this idea of the hidden benefit by asking the question, what would be the ultimate benefit I could give my clients? And there is the power of a question. What is the ultimate benefit I can give my clients? And having thought about it, he came up with a headline that talked about what would happen. This was talking to entrepreneurs. What would happen if the IRS suddenly took away all your corporate tax shelter benefits? Wow. And that obviously resonated with entrepreneurs. And Ted was very successful at selling his book of corporate forms. Let me tell you what it says in Golden Mailbox. It said that Ted sold over 350,000 copies of that book of corporate forms at $70 a piece. That's $24.5 million. Why? Because he found a way to market it. That's why it's such a potent tool, by talking about the hidden benefit. Let me give you an example from my own life. Some years ago, I did a joint venture with the Hong Kong Management Association, and my wife Sharon and I went out to Hong Kong 3 different times to run a one-day seminar. And when I was talking to the Hong Kong Management Association about the marketing of it, I was going to write the marketing and they were going to do the marketing, and then we were going to split the money between us. So I asked them lots of questions, and one of the questions, because Ted had taught me this idea about the hidden benefit, was to go deeper and deeper and asking what would be the ultimate benefit that clients would get, the delegates who came to the seminars would get from the work I was going to do with them. And it came down to one idea. And the idea was greater level of respect. That was the driver, according to the people I was talking to in the Hong Kong Management Association, for the people who would come to my seminars. I did a seminar on communication skills. I did one on selling, I did one on marketing, over 3 different visits. And it was wonderful, absolutely fantastic. So what's the takeaway for you here? Well, the takeaway is quite simple, isn't it? It is, when we're thinking of marketing our various products and services, we're asking ourselves that question. We're asking ourselves that question. What is the ultimate benefit that my client would get from my intervention, from my product, and from my service? And we keep on asking that question again and again and going deeper and deeper and deeper until we find that final thing. I remember doing this exercise in the UK with some of the marketing I was doing. I came up with the word significance. And what would happen is, if I showed somebody how to do better marketing, they would make more money. And if they made more money, they personally would feel more significant. Therefore, without using the word significant or significance in the marketing, I could talk to that idea through the marketing copy, because I knew that was the major benefit as far as I was concerned. So that's the question. That's the action for you to take, is to take that question away and say, what's the ultimate benefit? And how can I blend that idea as the hidden benefit within my marketing copy? I'm sure that you can take this away and use it. And in the meantime, I wish you every success in all your adventures in life. If you've enjoyed this, there's lots more of my videos about here. They're usually pretty chaotic like this one, but they certainly have got some powerful stuff in them. I'll see you on the next one. From me, Peter Thomson. Goodbye for now.